What time is it?
It's Adventure Time!
TV. We're gonna have emu egg breakfast. We made it to the ostrich farm. You guys ready?
Yes.
Don't get spit on.
Here's.
You're right, llama spit. Ostrich don't spit.
Came all the way here. You can't not stop at the Ostrichland. It's a must.
Ostrich and emu viewing. Hello. Go. We're getting a emu egg.
Be so careful. You just have to get it back in the fridge within 12 hours. I'm going to give you all the cooking instructions and all that good stuff.
We're gonna have emu egg breakfast tomorrow morning.
It's a lot like a duck egg. It's going to have a lot more yolk than white, so it's going to be extremely rich.
Yes! I like rich flavors. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes!
Me too!
We're gonna make it tomorrow.
Yes! Star? We got an egg.
I saw the green one.
Yeah.
I'm looking before you guys yank me in.
Breakfast tomorrow, emu egg.
Oh my god.
What?
You need to pay.
Oh, we have to pay too?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh. I thought it was free.
I already called it
That was
first.
a gift.
I'm paying. I already called it first. I already called
Whose
it
idea was it to have kids?
I already called it first. I'm paying. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. I got it.
Let's go.
When you walk in, you can purchase the ostrich food. As we were walking, we saw an ostrich doing a mating dance. It was very funny to see. Everyone's always recording, especially my mom. We really enjoyed this experience. My parents tried feeding them by hand to see if it hurts when they peck. Kids, don't try this at home. As all this was happening, I dared my dad to try the food.
Yana's daring me to try it. You ready?
Probably have.
It's not that bad. It's good diet. I got this. I know how to get him here. I decided to try out the mating dance I had seen earlier and see if anybody would show up.
Oh, this one's coming. This one's coming. We really enjoyed Ostrichland, and we highly recommend you come with your family. Bring your kids, they will love the experience. But before we leave, we promised to make breakfast with emu egg, which I wasn't too excited about.
Well, it's morning and we have an egg to make. Emu egg, as promised. Life is full of adventures and we just gotta try things to experience.
And this is the instructions. It's like a whole book.
Yeah, so what we do with the instructions, we just throw it away because we don't have the tools that's needed for that.
This is gonna be interesting.
And the fact about these eggs is that there's 10 to 11 yolks inside of that.
She said it's gonna be rich.
So for these, our ingredients are going to be, don't tell anyone. I'm a big fan of keeping it, no, we don't need that.
What do you mean?
We don't need that.
Where are you gonna break it into?
I got this.
No, what do you mean mix? We want to see how many yolks are coming out.
No, it's not the how many yolks that come out. Look, it's the quantity. If you were to break yolks, it would come out that much. This has one yolk.
Oh.
It's the quantity, Dumbo, and I'm standing there going like that.
Oh. Well, we want to see how big the yolk is.
Papa art.
I can break it in here. I was gonna
Art.
use this.
No, we want to see.
I was gonna use this and mix it.
No. We want to see how
Stop
big.
being lazy.
Kitchen needs one chef. A piece of butter and basil, chicken. Beep. This needs to be blurred out. All right, so we're gonna light this up first.
Here, I got the egg so it doesn't
Oh.
fall.
We got a pooper outside.
Who's pooping? Doggy poop. All right, then I learned this trick from my mom. This trick. She would always cut the tomatoes on top of the pan. And literally on top of the pan, she would just go like that with a much better knife.
Oh my god. Because you get the juice in there too.
So this knife sucks. If you guys are watching and would like to sponsor us with some knives, let us know. Because we're struggling with these ones. I grew up with these knives. Now comes the moment of truth. We're gonna tap it.
Oh my god.
It's hard.
I think you should use the back of the knife to just
Oh God, now it's gonna have a lot of shells in there.
Oh, the dinosaur egg.
Is there any dinosaurs in there?
Well, let me see. Ooh, look gooey.
Then take it out.
Why would they use a screwdriver?
See, it's one big
And
egg.
that's not gonna come out.
That's why. This is where we actually follow the instructions.
Hey, we wanted to see how big the yolk was.
It's not coming out.
Wow, it is super rich. Wow.
So big.
Wow, that was a lot of eggs.
Can I keep the shell?
Very eggy.
Give me the shell.
You can keep the shell.
Thank you.
Give this a little
Heavy
stir.
it is.
This is an emu egg.
Wait, let me tap it.
You want to use a fork?
It sounds like
Just an egg.
It smells like an egg.
It's just like an egg.
if you tap the shell.
It's a Gigantosaurus Rex.
How cool is this, kids? Look at it.
What's this red thing inside?
Yana.
That's the name. Get it out. There.
What is that?
That's part of the
eggs.
amniotic sac.
Part of the animal.
There you go. Give it a nice little stir.
It's very thick.
Very rich. That looks cool.
You wash the inside?
I tried. It's not working. I have to take it outside to wash it. So.
Oh, you can wash it. With maybe we'll get a toothbrush and
It
you
turned
can
white,
wash.
guys.
Very good. That's very good. All right.
Pour it inside. Nothing.
Goes here. All right. Moment of truth.
Ready?
Yes.
It's gonna be a lot of egg, guys.
I like a little egg.
Wow. Still more egg.
That's so much egg.
You said about 10 to 12 eggs? I think that's about
Something's
right.
wrong with our
That's
sink.
about right. Nothing's wrong. I gotta fill it up with water. All right.
So they don't ruin the egg. So it has one hole and you can keep the egg.
And then we like a little scrambling. Give it a little scramble. Nice and scramble. Just let it cook. I love a little basil. So you add some basil.
It's still slimy inside.
It's fine.
All right, kids. You're scared. You're always
I'm
scared.
scared to eat an emu egg.
It tastes just like egg, supposedly.
I feel like I'm about to eat a dinosaur egg.
You are eating a dinosaur with our dinosaur family. See? This is a Lalasaurus. This is an Yanaradius.
What am I?
And you're a Starforsadius.
He's a Benosaurus.
Benosaurus. And I'm the Benosaurus.
Bon appetit!
All right. Try it.
And we found this amazing sourdough bakery nearby because the markets had terrible bread. So we searched for the nearest bakery and we found this amazing sourdough bread.
So don't go to the store and just get regular bread. Look for a bread around you, like a bakery, and go get fresh bread. Another adventure.
I'm scared to try it, guys. I'm a little
Dig in. All right, I'm waiting. You guys are eating bread and cheese.
Everyone's scared.
I'm going in.
Good attitude, Yana.
Hey, Mom, wait for me.
All of us together. Cheers.
3, 2, 1. It's good.
It's really good.
I think we're gonna eat.
You guys better not tell me that it's a crocodile egg afterwards.
It is a crocodile egg.
Luckily, I was in the store and I know it's an emu egg.
Mom's always scared of what we're doing.
I'm paranoid. They trick me all the time.
How is it?
It's good.
Well, there you guys have it, as promised. We promised we were gonna have emu egg breakfast, and we did. My turn.
There's no weird taste.
It's more like fresh.
It's a little thicker. Just like an egg.
Much thicker.
It tastes just like an egg, but a little thicker.
But more white.
That's the only difference. Almost like if you were to mix regular eggs with maybe like cream cheese or heavy whipping cream. It's just a little thicker, but other than that, it tastes just like an egg. All right, guys, go out and get yourself an emu egg and have breakfast with it and have an adventure.
Breakfast with it.
A breakfast for Tita. You want to have breakfast with a new egg?
You can get it at the Ostrichland.
That's right. All right, we're gonna continue eating, and thank you for being a part of this episode, and hope you guys keep watching all the other stuff coming
Thanks
up.
for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Stay tuned for other adventures.
That's right. Hey, what time is it?
It's Adventure Time! TV!
It's emu time. Please like and subscribe to not miss out on any future adventures.